Good morning my dear students, welcome back in our science online class. In previous video we already have learned about the digestive system. Okay, now today we are going to learn about next system, that is respiratory system. What is the next system, students? Respiratory system. So what is respiratory system? What organs are there which are very important in our respiratory system? So see students, actually respiration means what? See students, we need air for breathing. And this breathing of air, or we need to breathe air to live or to live. Okay. If you hold your nose for some time, you don't try, but consider, imagine if you hold your nose some time, so what will happen? You feel uncomfortable after few seconds. Do you know students? So you feel uncomfortable means what happened? Yeah, suffocated. So that is means if you are unable to get the air or oxygen specially for some time, so you feel uncomfortable. And suddenly you leave your nose and you breathe faster. Yes? Means if you hold the nose at that time, you cannot get the oxygen or air into your lungs. And that's why you feel uncomfortable. Second thing, when you run fast, or if you do any hard work, your breathing rate increases compared to the normal rate. जैसे आप दौड़ते हो, भागते हो और कुछ समय बाद रुक जाओ, तो क्या होने वाला है स्टूडेंट? जो भी आपका ब्रीदिंग रेट है, वो ब्रीदिंग रेट बढ़ जाता है. आप जो सांस लेते हो उसका रेट बढ़ जाता है, वो बहुत फास्टली आप लेते हो एयर को अंदर. Why this happen? Actually students, while running time your breathing rate decreases. So when you stop while breathing here, while running time you get the energy, but actually you need more energy while running time. So to get the more energy, when you stop at that time you breathe faster to get more and more energy to fulfill your requirements or that energy. That's why you breathe faster than the normal rate. The respiratory system helps the body use the air we breathe. Okay. So two things are there, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation means what students? Inhalation means taking air into the body, and exhalation means removing or sending air outside the body. So actually what happens during the breathing, we take the air inside our body and our lungs absorb only oxygen from the air, because oxygen gas is required to get the energy. How? Because oxygen gas is sent to the heart, okay, or that mix with the heart, the blood mix with the air, that is called the oxygen, and this oxygenated blood sent to the various parts of the cell where the breakdown of food takes place and get the energy. So this is the way. Okay. तो क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी एयर हम ब्रीथ करते हैं वो एयर लंग्स में एब्जॉर्ब किया जाता है, और वो जो ऑक्सीजन होता है वो ऑक्सीजन ब्लड की तरफ भेजा जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम। वो ऑक्सीजन ब्लड में मिक्स होता है, वो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड सेल तक चला जाता है, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी फूड होता है सेल में, वो फूड ब्रेक डाउन होता है ऑक्सीजन गैस से, इसीलिए हम ब्रीथ करते हैं। तो वो जो ऑक्सीजन है वो फूड को ब्रेक करता है और फिर उसके बाद हमें एनर्जी मिलती है। सो दिस इज द वन वे टू गेट द एनर्जी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so what is the main function of respiratory system? The main function of respiratory system, student, use the air we breathe. Okay, and this respiratory system is made up of different organs like nose, windpipe, lungs. So as you can see here, a pair of lungs, see, pair of lungs is there, means two parts are there of lungs, one is left side, one is right side. Then this is the nose. With the help of this nose we breathe air in and leave out. Okay, and then this is the trachea. Trachea means that is the windpipe. Trachea means what students? Trachea means that is the windpipe. Second name is windpipe. Next to our food pipe there is a one more pipe, that is the windpipe. और आपको कभी कभी खाना खाते समय हिचकी आती है क्या स्टूडेंट? तो हिचकी क्यों आती है पता है आपको? जब आप खाना खाते हो और जल्दी में खाना खाते समय क्या होता है, कुछ फूड पार्टिकल्स विंड पाइप में चले जाते हैं। जो फूड पाइप होता है उसके बाजू में विंड पाइप होता है, तो कुछ फूड पार्टिकल्स विंड पाइप में चले जाते हैं और इसी वजह से हमें हिचकियां आती है। और वो हिचकी जैसे ही हम पानी पीते हैं तो वो स्टॉप हो जाती है। इसका मतलब जब हम पानी पीते हैं तो वो जो फूड पार्टिकल्स है वो पानी की वजह से नीचे चले जाते हैं, एंड देन वी गेट द रिलीफ फ्रॉम द हिकअप्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हिचकी। ओके, क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ सी, वी ब्रीथ इन एयर थ्रू आवर नोज. The air travels through the windpipe to the lungs. Now see, first we breathe air through the nose, then this air go to the windpipe, okay, and this windpipe carry the air through towards the lungs. Okay, once the air reach to the lungs or enter to the lungs, so lungs absorb the gas called oxygen. What is the main function of lungs? The main function of lung to absorb the oxygen and send it to the blood. Only the main function of these lungs to absorb the oxygen and send to the blood. In return, the blood gives the gas called carbon dioxide. लंग्स जो है ऑक्सीजन गैस ब्लड को देते हैं, तो उसी टाइम ब्लड जो होता है उसने भी कैरी किए वाला रहता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम बॉडी, दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सेंड टू द लंग्स, एंड देन लंग्स सेंड टू द विंड पाइप, एंड विंड पाइप थ्रू द विंड पाइप द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस कम आउटसाइड थ्रू द नोज. Okay, that is called the exhalation of carbon. So during the inhalation oxygen goes inside our body, and during the exhalation the carbon dioxide come outside the body. Clear students? So this is about our breathing system, or called as the respiratory system, which is very helpful to us. Okay, so you prepare the diagram students, especially the parts. So different organs are there in our respiratory system like nose, windpipe, trachea and pair of lungs. Okay students, so today we will stop here. I hope you have understood this respiratory system. Okay, and already I given more information about the respiratory system. Okay, So today we'll stop here.